The pull. Bad man. Your red top don't feel good. This solid man. This feels nice. No joke. Me not think me gonna make that happen. 1,000 different. No dog. When I say red top, oh no, I can see where red top I go out with an idea. Woo! Woo! No dog. This is mad. This is mad, yo. Yeah, traffic. Hold on, let me strap up my helmet properly there, people. Something little bit different about that bike, man. Hold on there.
Huh?
Let me strap in my helmet well proper. Oh shit, me nah get food. Neutral it and strap in my helmet well proper there. Cause the helmet a move around. Alright. Now I catch you back when I reach out on the highway, aka the boulevard.
Nope.
Light that fly as still. Whoa! It's a pull! Oh! I'd have to go up the boulevard because be a traffic there down here, so. Tapoka, what the block now this? Shit house! I'm going to buy the lock off! Holy shit! Oh shit! Hey Mr. Kyle, the bike lock off, you know? Well I don't have it! That me not get the hand! Well I'm going to figure out how I go on here, so I'm sit down back at that car. This is something I don't really do still as bike, man. Hold on. Hold on. Indy give me more keep on this? What the blood now this? Indy give me more keep on this? Hold on. Hold on. Yo, hold on. Indy give me more keep on that? Yo, me don't even know. Hold on. Alright, we can try it again. Second. One more! One and blow it on my body. Yo, but nah, like, bike fast, you frig. You bike fast, you frig. Man, I wonder if you need give me more keep on this. Cause I don't want to last night dog key them, you know. Right now, I don't even know dog, people. Bike are bad. Nah, tell no lie. I'll go deep up. What's man not turn on tune for me? I like your muffler with the pan it too. Bad. Shit. Guys. Body of Fred. I don't know, the angle bar feel like it bend or something, but something up here so not straight. Bad man. The red top don't feel good. This solid man, this feel nice. No joke. Woo! Go up it up, Yo, dog! Hold on. Try see if we can get some ignition. But the ignition lock off for me. Hold on. Oh, see it there now. Alright. Yeah. We have some ignition. Bike a float. Jesus. Ignition gone again. Run machine. Get out of there. Oh dog, I love the sound of muffler, bad. What? me not the ignition. Jesus God. What in the dark? Oh God! Damn! Jesus! What in the? Mighty God! Body now is smooth, you know? Oh God, man! Jesus! Smooth. Right now, I wonder if none of that key then drop off the blow, cause oh Claude, yo, my dog, brother. The only thing, this a bike here, eh? Turn it off. Yo, my dog. Yo, look here. You did give me more key than what did you on this? No. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Yo, me I say bombard. Yo, everything I fly out of my pocket, brother. Platinum. Boy, if you're not careful with it, you know, man, I tell you, you know, boy. Jesus. A Spanish town, me go and come back, you know.
Really, nigga?
What the bomb? Yo. Jaja. Right now, mother take it. He bad, man. And the muffler sweet. No, mother give him that. And take this. Bombo. Yeah, man. Mad dog. Only thing the bike shut down for me, brother, as in ignition turn off. Yeah, me nah know. I feel like a thing that.